Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I can show you how you can take your home mixology game and level it up. If you are a cocktail enthusiast, or you hope to be, then you need this ice press kit from Pressice Barware. Now, the press itself is made of aluminum, and it quickly creates perfect ice spheres every time through its weight and conduction. And the ice spheres resist melting and therefore lessen the dilution of your drinks. This kit comes with everything from silicone ice tray with a lid that releases very quickly and easily, coasters, a beautiful set of glasses, a drip tray, and a bar mat to collect any excess water. Now, I did speed up the compression process for this video, but creating ice spheres is quick and effortless. And you can speed up the process yourself by simply running the press under hot water in between uses. Now, the kit is beautifully packaged. It comes with everything you need, and it would make an incredible gift for yourself or someone else. Pressice even offers custom engraving to the ice press itself, making it even more elegant and a gift that will last generations. This would be an unforgettable piece to add to any home bar. Your craft cocktails deserve the refinement of ice spheres from Pressice, and with this kit, you'll have everything you need to enjoy chilling the spirits without diluting their distinctive flavors. And you can take this kit with you wherever you want, so you will be a hit with everyone. And that is my point of view.